Hello friends, Crafty Ukrainians here. I have a huge update for you. I have never run any shops previously, so welcome to my new shop. I have just moved in, so it's a bit messy here, but I have already bought some bicycle frames and I'm already helping our military here. I weld military vehicles in this shop, so there's gonna be much more content here on this channel than previously. So please subscribe to this channel with a thumbs up. Also hit the notification bell not to miss any updates on this channel. There will be much more projects on this channel very soon, starting from this table. Also, this channel is not about bicycles only. This channel is also about helping our defensive forces. So if you want to help me out somehow, you can buy me coffee. Basically, I leave the link in the description below. This shop desperately needs to be filled with equipment. For example, I need a new jack because all I have in this shop to lift pickup trucks and armored vehicles is this very small 2-ton jack, and also this wood. The wood is strong, but the jack, I need a bigger one so I can help our military even better and do my job even faster. All these small improvements make a huge difference on when our military is gonna deoccupy all our territories and when we are going to recapture our freedom. Not only territories, but our freedom. You can help me out watching these videos, not missing any updates on my channel, because any cent, any dollar makes a huge difference for our country. I have already finished a couple of vehicles that used to fight on the eastern frontier of Ukraine. Most of such vehicles come with completely rotten frames with extra holes for ventilation. We don't need such holes, so I weld them with metal patches. I reinforce their frames, their chassis, their bodies, and this is how our soldiers can safely ride them to the victory. So if you somehow want to help this tiny little shop on fixing military vehicles, you can just watch my videos for a couple of times maybe, share them with your friends, and this will help a lot. Thank you. I want to act fully transparent and responsible with your donations, with every dollar that comes through monetization system. So I will be updating you on all the spendings I make, on all the income that is coming from YouTube, so you can see that no dollar goes nowhere else but on our victory. And also, I would like you to know that I have a full-time job besides this shop and this YouTube channel, so I have a stable income, and also I do help Ukrainian military forces, and this shop and this channel is just another way for me to help our military even more. So please keep on watching, donate if you want, and I will see you in the next videos. I have huge plans for this lofty place. It looks like a loft because of these brick walls. So thank you guys for watching all my previous videos. New military projects and also civilian projects are coming, so please stay tuned. Glory to Ukraine, glory to heroes.